Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable Valorant auto updates in Windows, then please watch this video. So open the Valorant client. No need to open the Riot client, just open the Valorant client. It will automatically redirect you to the Riot client and you need to log in. You need to sign into it. Now click on the profile symbol at the top right corner and select settings. So you'll have multiple options here. One will be Riot Client, that's for sure. One will be Valorant, and there may or may not be more options. I just have one game, so I have Valorant. Click on Valorant. On the list on the right hand side, there's something called as Enable Auto Update. Now this is enabled by default, but you can disable it if you don't want that. But I prefer to keep it enabled because Valorant is a game which picks up maps and everything from the internet, so it will cease to work if you do not auto update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.